All right, hello everybody. I'm Claire, if you guys didn't already know. I hope everyone is doing well in quarantine. I hope everyone's keeping busy with schoolwork, and just spending time, with your family. So I went ahead and made a little slideshow for you guys on my multicultural book. So the children's book, award-winning multicultural book that I chose is called The Name Jar, and it's by Yang Suk Choi. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. And so I have a little snippet because I wasn't able to get the book myself from the library, or anything because of quarantine, obviously. So I found a read aloud on YouTube, and I'm just going to go ahead and play just a snippet of it so you guys can kind of get a feel for how it is. And then I'll go ahead and explain a little bit more after.
And she was both nervous. Through the school bus window, Eun-hye looked out at the strange buildings and houses on the way to her new school. It was her first day, and she was both nervous and excited. She fingered the little block of wood in her pocket and remembered leaving her grandmother at the airport in Korea. Her grandmother had wiped away Eun-hye's tears and handed her an ink pad and a small red satin pouch. "Your name is inside," she had said. "My name?" Eun-hye had wondered. Again she took out the red pouch to look at the wooden block with her name carved in it. As she ran her fingers along the grooves and ridges of the Korean characters, she pictured her grandmother's smile. "Is that thing for show and tell?" a boy asked Eun-hye, surprising her. Eun-hye looked up as more kids leaned over. "No, it's mine," Eun-hye answered, quickly putting the pouch back in her pocket. "Are you new here? What's your name?" a girl asked. "Eun-hye," said Eun-hye. "Eun-hye?" the girl asked, scrunching up her face. "Ooh, Eun-hye," some kids chanted. No, Eun-hye, corrected. It's spelled U-N-H-E-I. It's pronounced Eun-hye. "Oh, it's you-hey," the boy said, like, "You-hey, what about hey you?" Just then the bus pulled up to the school and the doors opened. Eun-hye hurried to get off. "You-hey, bye-bye," the kids yelled as she left. Eun-hye felt herself blush. Eun-hye stood at
There we go. So that was a snippet of the beginning of the Name Jar. So it's essentially about a young Korean girl named Eun-hye, I believe, and she moved from Korea to the U.S. and she's about to begin her first day of school. And the book is kind of about her experience with trying to find an American name because she thinks her Korean name is too hard to pronounce for the American kids, or she doesn't really like people asking about her name. So her class ends up giving her a jar full of names, and from which she can pick her new name. And then in the end, she learns to, like how all children's stories go, she learns to like her name, her Korean name, and she learns to keep it. So, why did I choose this book? So, I think that this book helps students learn a lesson of finding acceptance in a new community or culture. And so for this example, this is the Korean culture. I kind of have a little Korean picture there. And right here, that's the cover of the name jar. So here's her little jar full of names that she's looking through. But so anyways, yeah, I think that students can relate if maybe they're going through the same thing. Maybe they're coming from a new community, or maybe a new friend group, or maybe they're being bullied for their name, or maybe for their accent. So I think, and this book also later on, it addresses other cultures, and by comparing names and languages from different cultures. So I think this book is a great way for students to feel accepted and welcomed in a new environment. So how can I apply this story in a classroom? So I thought it would be super cool to for students to use this book to kind of look at the meaning of their name, and maybe like teachers can even have like a worksheet and talk about like the origin of the name, the meaning of it, and kind of like an activity to find out why students were named that way, and like the stories behind their names. And then I think this activity kind of allows students to learn more about their name and learn why their name is so important, to kind of make students feel again like accepted and belonged in the classroom and in the community. So yeah, that pretty much wraps up my short slideshow of my multicultural children's book. I hope that you all enjoy. I hope you all are staying well and healthy, and have a great week, guys. See you in class. Bye.